Hello guys, generic YouTuber HD in 420p here, bringing you guys another live commentary on how to take apart your Xbox 360 Slim. Basically, as you can see in the picture here, you'll have the motherboard, the fan, the heatsink, the hard drive, the disk drive, the wireless access point, the power on and off, and all the front side and top panels. You can take it all off, you can access anything. Say you're trying to fix your disk drive, you can fix your disk drive. You can really do anything from here. You want to JTAG, you can JTAG. So let's get right into this.
Okay, hello guys. Today we're going to be teaching how to take apart an Xbox 360 Slim. You're going to need these tools. So this is just a little Phillips head. It's pretty nice size. Pretty much you're always going to have one of these in your house. Pretty common. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver about this size. My finger for comparison. You're not going to need this for screws. You need to actually get inside, take a clip, and push it apart from the latch, I guess. I don't know what to call it. So you need that. This is kind of optional for certain parts like the disk drive. You're going to need this for taking apart the disk drive, and this is for once you get inside like the main parts. So you're probably going to need this for anything. This is kind of whatever, but you for sure need this. This is the T10 bit. You need that for most screws that are on the motherboard and kind of around that area. So yeah. Okay, so you want to take your Xbox to a nice spot. Mine's kind of already apart, but it's still, like, I can show you the steps to get in. I still got my tools here, so you're going to want to start off by taking off these side panels. They're pretty easy to take off. So you want to grab this part off, this part off. Sorry, excuse the mess here. So then you'll be about in this area. So that's where your hard drive is and that kind of stuff. Then this is when you want to do your Phillips head screwdriver. You want to take that and start prying. There's little holes here you can see. So you put it in there and just kind of pry it open like that. So this side isn't really open, so let's see if I can get that. It's kind of hard with one hand, but like you just kind of open it and pry it up. I can even go in here, pry out like that. Go here, pry it out. Eventually you're gonna get this little plastic thing off, not the silver part yet. Okay, but I have this off to show you visually better what it does. So you have these clips here. These clips are basically holding in the silver part, and once you have this plastic part off, this is just to show you better. You put your screwdriver in. Let's say it's coming from the other side, like it would be coming up like this, but you're gonna want to try and get it in here. Let me flip it over. Maybe the other one's easier to show. I don't know. Let me rip this apart. Let me just set down my camera. Okay, so you'll be putting your flathead screwdriver in like this. Then you're going to want to pry it up from here. So let's get a good close-up. You want to pry this part up like that. Sorry, it looks really bad, but honestly it isn't. You might think you're going to break something. I've done this multiple times. So you just pry it up and pull out. And there's a little, I don't know if I can see it. There's a little hook there holding this in, so you can't just pull it out. You have to pry it up, then out. Okay, we'll go on to the next step. For this part, I thought I'd put on the flashlight here, so you can see you're kind of in now. You can start working on there. So you pull out those. They're the exact same. Those little latches things. Also here, you can see right there. That's where it hooks onto. So you want to pull it up from there so you can get it out. So you want to start doing that on the back. And then there's also a hidden one about I think it's right about here. So this is a new maneuver I just learned. Basically the best way to do it is take this part, you line it up, I think it's 7 out from the 0 from this 360. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 from the 360, so it's right about there. Then kind of about where this indent is, like, do you see this indent? So it'll be about right there. There's another latch, but you can't really get at it because it's too far in. The best way to go about doing that, you grab a drill and there, we're in. Okay, okay, we're in now. Okay, so that should have taken out that shell. Usually you'd have to get a very special screwdriver to get in there. The drill really just cuts to the chase. You can get in pretty quick. I mean, there's a little debris, but we can just throw it away. Okay, so there's another one right... Sorry, mosquito. Right here. You can feel this one. It should be in line with the 7.1 digital surround sound. So you want to do it in about line with that other one. Where was it? About there-ish. Friggin' mosquitoes. Okay, go in again. And we're in. Okay, okay. So that's great. So now we've got those two latches done. There's two on the sides here that you can do. Then you basically pull out this. Throw out the debris, of course. See, I haven't done it yet. Here, let me be back. Okay, I'm back now. Oh, mosquitoes, man. Okay, so basically there's a little latch here. You already saw the one here. That little one. The one on the other side was kind of giving me trouble. It's pretty easy the first time, but I've done it so many times it's kind of out of whack. Basically, you can just give it a little tap. Right, oh my god, mosquitoes are bad. Go 2 centimeters to the left of the drill hole. So just... that should get it undone. Maybe not. Oh, yeah, that side's out. So we're just waiting on this side, so I'll be back when it's off. Okay, I'm back. That, it worked, but this side's still a little tapped on, so you want to take the little hacksaw stovepipe. You're going to want to get going on it, so, what would I say about, maybe, it's 2 centimeters in from the outside. You guys can see it, so just start sawing at it. It should get the latch undone on the right side. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, guys. Next step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put it into the clamp. Oh god, it's falling apart. Basically, you want to put your XBOX in the clamp. Who cares if the front's on? Doesn't matter. You know, open up a clamp, just handy dandy. Okay, just do it a couple times. What do you guys think? That's pretty good. Okay, we'll throw it in there. Oh, nope, that's not big enough. This Xbox is pretty big, as you can tell. Okay. Okay, so it's in the clamp. You want to spin it tight until you can hear it start cracking. That's when it means keep going, so just keep going, keep going. You should hear cracks like that, good ones. The clamp isn't in very well, but it doesn't matter. Oh yes, you can hear it just opening. Right from the top here, you guys can see it's opening. Okay, this is perfect. This is going really well. These advanced maneuvers work great. Oh. Okay, so that's probably it's in about as good as we can get it. As you can see from the back side, it's already coming off, so that's great. So grab your handy dandy mallet that everyone has in their good old workshop. Give it a few whacks. So oh yes, look at that cartilage. Look at that, getting in, getting in. Okay, that looks about good. If you want to get it about there, the top should be coming off. That's great. So the last final step to get it in is you're gonna, here, I'll come back. Okay, if you've been following the tutorial correctly, you should have a couple parts: the sides, the front, the X clamp removed. Oh god, that's besides the point. And back should be coming off. So as you can see, these came off. These were the ones that would give me trouble. They snapped off. It doesn't really matter. Your Xbox should snap together like mine is right now. Perfectly fine. Okay, so basically the next step is you want to grab a garbage bag. Pop that sucker open. I'll be back. Okay, so I put it in. The back fell off, but just in case it didn't for you guys, I'll do the next step. You're gonna want to bunch it up and just swing it. Oh, there, that looks fantastic. Great work, guys. Your Xbox should be apart right now. Yeah, I probably can't do anything with it now, so fuck.